In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use a trial version of a website builder to create, customize, and export your website before the trial expires, all within a few simple steps. Let's dive in and make sure you have everything you need to get started. First things first, head on over to your chosen website builder's platform on the internet. Many platforms offer a free trial, so look for the sign up button. It might say something like start your free trial or try now. Clicking this will usually bring you to a sign up page. Here, you'll need to enter your email address and create a password. Be sure to use an email that you have easy access to, as you may need to verify it later on in the process. Once you've successfully signed up, you'll often be given the option to choose a template for your website. Take your time browsing through the available layouts. Pick one that resonates well with you or aligns with the purpose of your site. Remember, you can always make adjustments later. Now, with your template chosen, it's time to start building your website. Most platforms provide a drag and drop interface, making it accessible even if you don't have any coding skills. Begin by adding sections such as your home page, about page, or any other pages you might need. You can usually find these options in a main toolbar that provides components like text boxes, images, headers, or maybe even a contact form. Take advantage of these flexible tools to weave together a site that reflects your vision. Feel free to experiment with different colors, fonts, and layouts until you achieve the desired look and functionality. It's always helpful to preview your site periodically to ensure everything looks just right. Don't forget to hit the save button as you go along to prevent losing any changes you've made. Once you are satisfied with your website, the next step is crucial, especially if your trial period is limited. It's time to export or share your website. Most website builders will offer an option to download your entire site or provide hosting services. In this case, go to the Export tab or section. It should be straightforward to find, often under a Settings or Publish category. Follow the prompts to save your website files to your computer. If your goal is to share it immediately with others, look for a shareable link option. This will allow you to send your site to anyone, even before it's hosted under a custom domain. And there you have it. You've successfully navigated using a website